Hello YouTube, Chashtech Spark with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a DNS server not responding error in Windows computer. So if you are facing this problem on this video, we are going to see three solutions. Stay tuned until the end of the video. So the first solution would be opening your control panel and changing some IPv4 settings. So click here this one and type here control panel. So here the control panel, and after you find the control panel, click on network and sharing center, and after that click on change adapter settings. Then you will find here your internet. So I'm using Wi-Fi. If you are using internet, do the same. Just click on the adapter that you are using, right click on it and select properties. So after you click on the properties, you will find here different options. Just make sure you select Internet Protocol version for this one and go to properties. Then after you go to properties, here you select under this general section, you will find on the bottom use the following DNS server address. So select this checkbox and type here the preferred DNS server. Type 8 and again 8 and again 8 and again 8, and do the same for alternate DNS server 8 8 4 and again 4, and click here OK, and again click here close, and close the network connections and close this one, and check whether the problem is solved or not. If the problem still continues, we are going to use a cmd command. So in order to do that, go here on the bottom, click the search icon, type cmd, here the command prompt, right click on it and select run as administrator. So confirm by selecting yes, and after the command prompt up, here I have a notepad which have some commands. I'm going to put this on the description box. So copy the config/release this one, copy this and paste it here. So after you paste this IP config release, then press enter. So it's going to release all the taken IPs, and after that renew it by selecting this one, copy this and paste it here, then press enter. Then finally we are going to flash the DNS, so this one under the quotation, then copy and paste it here and press enter. So it successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Then after that close the CMD and again restart your computer. So after the restart, if the problem is solved, well done. If it is not, then the final solution for this video will be network reset. So in order to do that, again go here, click the search icon and type settings, here the settings, then open it. Then after that you will find network and internet, then select that. So after you find network and internet, then scroll down on the bottom and you will find network reset. So select that and here you click the reset now. So it will remove all the network related data. If you have a Wi-Fi related data, passwords, it will be removed. So make sure you back up or you take all the information related with your network. Then after that click here reset, and it will help you to fix the DNS server not responding error on your computer. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe and share to your friends.